Hello everybody, here again with a lovely piece of lino we cut in the woods the other week and some of the monoprints that we made. Now I was looking at them again, looking at this lino, and something struck me. I do like to follow the marks and go where they take me. Now in this image, which is definitely an abstract tree, out of it I could see something glaring. This to me looks like a pupil and an eye and the eyebrow. This is the start of an eyebrow over here. Now I can no longer see this is as a tree as what I imagined. It's gradually turning into almost like the green man. The person in the woods. I can almost hear him whispering, wanting to tell me something. So now I'm going to try and follow that thought process through and develop this piece of lino and see what becomes of the man in the tree. Shape of mouth is going to be. It's definitely going to have an open mouth, and it's going to be shouting, whistling. Now, I have found another type of ink. I don't know if these types of ink I've got are going to work together or not. This is water-based block printing as well. From a different, this is Scholar print. Such a bright green, and I'm lazy. I'm going to still use my dirty dark. Ooh, look at that. Roller. Well, here he is, the green man that emerged out of the trees. Just before I go, I've just got one quick idea I want to do. I've got my plate here already inked up, so I've got some newsprint. I've just rubbed on to the back of the newsprint a circular shape to make a head shape. I'm drawing in these eyes quickly, and I'm going to make another man with his body and see what happens. I'm imagining the person or green man that I'm going to be drawing, and I've just rubbed on a little bit more onto the paper, onto the lino, for his head and his body. He's got a big tummy now, that's the rubbing his tummy. Move the paper up, and I'm going to do 2 little legs, and then I'm going to try and add rubbing on again 2 arms, 1 arm, 2 arm. This should be interesting to see what's actually there. Oh yes, here he is. I've turned him over, and there's a little blob of ink, so I'm just making that into an outline for his head. I'm going to just, oh that's it, yes, give him a little mouth. See what happens. It's fun just experimenting, isn't it? Just seeing what happens, going with the flow, rather than throwing things away. Dirty old piece of paper, make something of it. Yeah, 2 little eyes. Oh, he's looking quite a character now. Obviously he's shocked at something, or whistling. That's it. Outline his arms. Some little ribs. He's a bit skinny, could do with a bit something to eat. Let's have a look at him. Oh, we can't forget his nipples, can we? No. That's it. Oh, that's it. Down onto his body now. It's quite fun doing silly things like this sometimes. You can just do them quickly. Have a bit of fun. That's it. Finish off his legs and his body. There we are. There is his head again. Just finishing off his eyebrows. There we are, flying off into the distance. And just to finish off now, I've gone back to some of my monoprints I made before, chopped them up, and I've added a bit more detail, cutting him some wings, a bit of hair, some eyebrows, and a little bit of a backbone. Give him a backbone. So you can see on this one he's got some ears, some spiky ears. Thank you for listening, everyone. If you've liked this video, please click subscribe below for more. Next time I'm going to be reworking my lino again, cutting it, printing it, cutting it, printing it, until there's nothing left. I'm going to keep working at it, reducing it, see what images appear. It's going to be fun, going to be exciting, and there's going to be lots of printing, probably lots of mess. And we'll see what happens. What does a tree turn into this time? See you again soon. Happy printmaking, everybody. Bye.